5 stages of wealth building. Check, where are you standing? Stage 1. Financial stability. If you have enough savings to cover 3 to 6 months of your minimum monthly expenses, food, clothes, housing. Stage 2. Financial security. If income from your investments can cover your minimum expenses and most basic lifestyle, healthcare, transportation, school fees. Stage 3. Financial independence. If income from your investments can cover your minimum expenses and some preferential expenses, restaurant visits, branded clothing, domestic travel trip. Stage 4. Financial freedom. If all your current monthly expenses are covered from your investment income without compromising your current lifestyle, luxury car, foreign travel trip. Stage 5. Financial abundance. If your current investment portfolio size is large enough to afford anything you want and lets you live your dream lifestyle, luxury cars, exotic lifestyle, multiple foreign travel trips. Which stage are you in? And which stage you want to reach? Contact your financial distributor to do your wealth health check now and take right steps during your wealth building journey.